Hey guys, do you know which is the one of the best religion on this earth? If you don't know, then keep my lines in your mind. That is knowledge. Knowledge is not selfish. Knowledge is always one of the biggest religion on this earth. So, Namaskar, Sasrikal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction, week from 24th of August to 30th August 2020. So you know very well my all prediction are based on my on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with moon sign, and it's all based on Indian Vedic astrology, not on Western astrology. So let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants this whole week brings lot of positivity for you. From 24th of August to 30th August, one of the biggest game changer week for you. You will get a lot of name, fame, prosperity. You will be entering a new business horizon, and there's a strong chances to start some business partnership with someone near and dear, and you will get some unexpected money from your old investments or your business. Money will knock you. You may take some loan from government and your loan will be granted, and there's a strong chances you will invest or you may renovate your home in this week. Especially Monday and Tuesday will be one of the best days for you, when you will be sky high and you earn a lot of money. Sudden unexpected income will knock you. That will make you happy. Cash flow will always make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of comforts and lot of materialistic gains in this week. Aries Ascendant, this is the one of the best week for you because Ascendant's Lord is in first house, Sun is in your fifth house, his own sign, Jupiter is in your ninth house. So these all these are friendly planet plays in a Trakona Bhav, which will act like a game changer for you if you have a good Mahadasha or Antardasha in your birth chart. If you have a good Mahadasha or Antardasha in your birth chart, believe me, you will be top, you will be sky high, and you will be like a roller coaster because this is a time when you get lot of financial gains. This is a time when new people will enter in your life as a friend and they guide you thoroughly and they advise you, and their advice will work you act like a game changer. So Aries Ascendants, enjoy this whole week with your family and friends. You will be top, you will be sky high. Just do your best because this week will give you lot of benefits, lot of name, fame, prosperity with bundles of money. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendants. Taurus Ascendants this whole week from 24th of August to 30th August, you will be sky high, you will get promoted, your health will be fine, and your family and friends will support you. There is strong chances your seniors will be very happy and very satisfied from your performance. This is a time when your ability, when your skills, they will appreciate. Your seniors will appreciate your skills and your abilities, which kind of talent you have. They can recognize you because you have a lot of talent, and now Saturn is in your ninth house, which is one of the wonderful placement of the Saturn, and Jupiter is also in on sign in your eighth house, and Mars is in your 12th house. If you are working in any multinational company or if you are working in any foreign land, then this week will brings lot of happiness, lot of gains, lot of name, fame, and your seniors will satisfy from your performance. If you are importer exporter, you will sign new deal, you will get new order, lot of money will knock you, forex money will knock you. This is a time when your all desires will be fulfilled related to foreign land. If you are if you are unemployed and you applied to your job in foreign land, then your job will be click because this is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and you will get a lot of fame, prosperity in foreign land, especially because Mars is in your 12th house in his own sign and Saturn is in your ninth house. These both houses are linked with foreign land, and 8th house is also linked with foreign land where Jupiter is in on sign and aspecting is on your 12th house Mars. So overall planetary position is in favor for Taurus Ascendants. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, if you are start working any foreign land, if you want to start any company in foreign land, you will definitely grow a lot, and your all desires will be fulfilled and your all wishes will be fulfilled related to foreign land. After few weeks or after few months, you will be at foreign land through your work permit or through your PR. There is a strong chances as per dynamics because dynamics are helping you. Mars plays there 4 month, nearly 4 month in Aries sign. So you pack your luggage and you will definitely get job in foreign land. That is Amit Kapoor prediction for Taurus Ascendants. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. Gemini from 24th of August to 30th August, this whole week will bring mixed results for you. You need to be careful while dealing with your parents. You need to be careful while talking with your parents or near or dear, because this is not a very productive week in the terms of relationship, because your stubborn nature or your negative thoughts will create some problem related to your relationship with your parents or near or dear. So keep calm, don't use any harsh word, don't abuse other. This is a time when Saturn check your patience. Be in patience, do your best, do your good karma. But Jupiter is blessed you, aspecting is on your first house. This is very good for you, so you will get good job if you are unemployed, but that job is not for a long term, because the Saturn creates some problem is in 8th house from your ascendant. So you need to be careful while dealing in your business. Don't sign any document, someone may cheat you, you may involve in any legal matter. Be careful, be alert, and must advise, if you're signing any document, then you must advise to your legal advocate or someone expert. So overall, Gemini ascendants, this is a bit struggling week for you. Read Ganesh Chalisa every day morning and read Goddess Kali Chalisa at night. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendants. For Cancer Ascendants, for 24th of August to 30th August, this will be a wonderful week for you, when you will get bundles of money, name, fame, prosperity. Your father will bless you and you will get lot of inheritance from your parent side. Your business will be sky high. You will get new orders. If you are in job, your seniors will be satisfied your performance, your targets will be fulfilled. This whole week brings a lot of happiness and positivity in the terms of your professional life. And if you want to switch off your job, this is a best week for you. Guys, don't wait for another week or another month, because this whole week degreically planetary movements is in your favor. If you want to switch off your job, you will definitely get new job as per your expectations. 10th house Mars is in on sign, which is very good placement for you, and you will get success all around. So if you are willing to travel in foreign land, you have to wait next 2-3 weeks. You will definitely go foreign land, because Jupiter is aspecting is on your 12th house. You need to be careful. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Otherwise, you will be sky high and you earn a lot of money. Family will support you. Your friends will support you. And those people who are unmarried, they may involve in new relationship. And now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendants. Leo Ascendants for 24th of August to 30th August. This is one of the best week for you. Big money will knock you, and you may enter in a new business deal. Your family will support you. You will enjoy good health. Your mentally peace will be sky high. Your confidence will be ultimate, and you may start a new business with your near and dear. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and you become very religious. This is a time when you automatically start some worship or chanting, because Jupiter is blessed you, and Jupiter will give you the smart money. If you are already dealing in any type of property sale purchase, then this is a time when money will knock you and lot of good deals will knock you. This is a time when you will top and your family will help you, and your family will support you a lot in the terms of money matters, in the terms of blessings. You will get a lot of blessings from your parents, as well as you will get a lot of support from your family and friends. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendants. For Virgo Ascendants from 24th of August to 30th August, this is a mixed week for you. First 3 days will be a good for you. You will get promoted in your workplace, or your seniors will be satisfied, but you don't start any new business. Don't invest your money anywhere, because this whole week bring mixed result for you. Time is not very promising as per your expectations. You do your best and you start some chanting of mantra Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. More you do with this, more you achieve it. Minimum 108 times, 3 mala of Rudraksh, you can chant this mantra Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. More you do it, more you achieve it. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. For Libra Ascendants, this whole week you will get some unexpected money. Money will came from your one of nearest friend. They may become your business partner. and your health will be fine. You will enjoy a very good homely atmosphere, but you need to be careful while dealing with your spouse, while dealing with your near and dear, because there your harsh word and your wrong speaking skills will create some problem in your relationship. Overall, this week brings a lot of happiness in the terms of money and business. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants, which is my ascendants. Scorpio ascendants, Jupiter is in your second house, Mars is in your sixth house, Saturn is in your third house. There's a lot of good things will happens with you. Stay positive, don't go in depression, and believe in God, believe in good karma. You will be top, you will be sky high. There's a lot of good opportunity will knock you, which is linked with foreign land, and you may start some new business with one of your near or dear, which will be act like a game changer, and your earning will be sky high, your earning will be rise. There is strong chances to multiple foreign journeys, and this week that plan, if you are interested to start anything in foreign land, that plan will execute, or that plan will be in your talking terms with your near and dear. This is a time when you will be rock and you will earn some extra money, which will make you happy. Your savings will rise, your bank balance will rise, and lot of good things will knock you, because Scorpio ascendants, Jupiter is in on sign in your second house, which is act like a game changer in the terms of money, in the terms of finance, in the terms of family growth. So now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendant. Sagittarius ascendants, you are blessed with the Jupiter is in your first house, and if you wanna interested to switch off your job, then this is a right week. You will get new job, that is for sure. This is my prediction for Sagittarius. You will get job as per your expectation. Your salary will rise, your designation will rise, and your seniors will satisfy from your performance in old job. And if you are willing to enter in a new job, then this is the one of the ultimate time for you. There's a lot of good things will happen in your life, and this whole week those people who are in businessman, they will get smart gains from overseas land, because planets are in good direction. Your ninth lord is in ninth house, and your first lord is in first house, your fifth lord is in fifth house. So those people who are interested to investment our money in stock market, this is a right time. You will get a lot of smart gains, you will get a lot of gains in next 4 months, because Mars is in your fifth house, which is act like a game changer for you. So now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Capricorn, you need to be careful relationship with your spouse. I'm telling you again and again in every my video, because Saturn is retrograde in your first house, and retrograde Saturn aspecting is on your seventh house, which is not very good. Relationship with your spouse will be matter of concern, and you are not in a good terms with your life partner. There is a strong chances to legal matter involved with your life partner, or some type of dispute with your life partner, because you are not happy, you are not satisfied in the terms of your relationship with your husband and wife. Spouse will irritate you, and this is a time when you may take some action against your life partner. So please be calm, keep smiling. If you want to be in this relationship, then Lord Shani, check your patience. Planet Saturn, check your patience. So please be calm and be humble, be polite, and keep smiling on your face. This is your medicine. This is sometimes patience is a medicine. So Capricorn, you need it. In the terms of business or finance, you will be top. There's a lot of smart gains will knock you. Some unexpected money will knock you. Friday and Thursday and Friday will be a game changer days for you. If you are in job, your seniors will be satisfied, and you will be enjoy a lot of comforts in this week. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. Aquarius ascendants, this whole week you will get a lot of finances. Money will knock you. Unexpected money will knock you. If you are investing your money already in stock market, you will get very good returns. This is a time when someone will enter in your life as a your business partner, as a your life partner. Those people who are unmarried, they find a nice life partner. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and if you wanna invest your money, this is a right week for you, and you will get lot of materialistic gains in this week. Especially Tuesday and Wednesday will be a ultimate for you. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Pisces ascendants, this is one of the best week for you. If you have a good Mahadasha and Antardasha in your birth chart right now running on you, then believe me, you will earn a lot of name, fame, prosperity, good health, enjoy all type of materialistic gains. Your family and friends will support you. You will enjoy a lot of multiple journeys in coming months. There's a strong chances you will be another height of confidence. You know, your strong willpower and your confidence will take you on another height. You may start a new business venture, a big business venture with someone, which will be act like a game changer for you. Blessings of your father will always make your life easy, and blessings of your father and mother will always support you, because they are your luck. Your good luck is attached with your father blessings. The way you try to touch the feet of your father every day and every night before sleep, because father blessings act like a biggest game changer for you. Your father is a good fortune for you. So guys, this is the all description about coming week, and I'm praying for your happy future, and I'm praying for your good health, good wealth. Stay strong, take care of yourself, and take care of your parents. And you must consult your nearest astrologer if you have any type of difficulty, and you counseling with that astrologer and talk with him or her. You will definitely get some solution, because astrology is one of the biggest shastra. Thank you for watching my videos. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.